You are about to witness an exhilarating expedition of the relentless African wild dogs and the epic battles between lions and elephants. Here you are on Wild Biosphere, and without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the heart-pounding drama of the wild. In the African grasslands, you can find one of the most formidable predators, the African wild dog. These creatures belong to the canine family within the carnivore order and possess the most powerful bite among all carnivorous mammals. They are known for their exceptional skills in coordinated hunting, boasting a remarkable 75% success rate when hunting in the savannah. African wild dogs exhibit remarkable discipline and solidarity among pack members, and their powerful bite is a distinguishing feature. When their distinctive vocalizations reach the ears of herbivores, it strikes fear in their hearts. Their jaws can exert a formidable bite force of up to 53 pounds per square inch, with the lower jaw being notably larger than that of domestic dogs. Their specialized jaw structure enables them to efficiently peel flesh from bones, and they even dare to rob prey species like lions, hyenas, or leopards, depending on the strength of their pack and their coordinated hunting prowess. When it comes to taking down large prey, wild dogs display unwavering confidence, and they're not shy about targeting even fully grown buffaloes. While lions may hold the title of king of the jungle, they are far from invincible. Lions often pursue formidable prey that fights back with tremendous strength and cunning. In one remarkable scene, an enraged elephant fiercely defends its young calf against a group of lions. The lioness, a key predator, possesses incredible speed, capable of sprinting up to 45 miles per hour. Patient and skilled at stalking, she hides in the grass, waiting for the perfect moment to strike her prey. Once the prey detects the lioness, the cooperative effort begins. The fastest lioness uses her claws to grab the animal, tackling it to the ground. Together, they overpower their prey, and one of them goes for the kill by crushing the victim's throat. However, lions are formidable predators with high meat requirements to sustain their pride, especially when lionesses are nurturing young cubs. This often drives them to hunt large prey, including elephants. Yet, taking down these massive creatures is a daunting task, and it can even put the lives of the lions at risk. Lions typically target elephant calves due to their vulnerability. To protect their young, elephants have developed protective strategies. The lion's repeated attacks on the elephants have led to outrage among the elephant herd. While the elephants do not rush to attack the lions unless they pose a direct threat, lions are persistent predators. They seize any opportunity and are drawn to the curiosity of young, inexperienced elephant calves. The repeated loss of baby elephants to the lions becomes a significant threat to the elephant herd. The mother elephant's grief over the tragic loss of her child is heart-wrenching. Despite her anguish, she fiercely searches for the enemy to avenge her cub. Her fury not only overwhelms the pride of lions, but also prompts other elephants to join the attack, causing the lions to panic and leaving some cubs injured. The elephant, being the largest land mammal, presents a formidable challenge for a pride of lions. Lions require every member's cooperation and effort to bring down a fully grown elephant using their claws and teeth. It's no surprise that these powerful creatures can kill a lion with ease, especially considering that a male elephant can weigh nearly 14,000 pounds. When faced with a potential threat to their young, entire herds of elephants will form a protective circle. The tusks and heavy hooves of these massive animals pose a significant danger to even a large group of lions. Elephants have even been known to wield tree trunks as large as 400 pounds as weapons against their attackers. Lions that confront a grown elephant may not only fail in their attack, but also sustain injuries that could prove fatal. Additionally, age provides elephants with more than just weight advantages, further emphasizing the immense challenges lions face in such confrontations. And there you have it, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring world of African predators. We hope you enjoyed this exhilarating expedition when nature's forces clashed in dramatic fashion. If you want more captivating wildlife stories and exciting encounters, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for future adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of our natural world.